Hello.
Behind
the camera.
We are at Disneyland Paris. We're doing some really special things this time. So I'll tell you more about those as the day goes on. But it's extra magic hours right now, so we're gonna ride some rides. We started Extra Magic Hours by walking through the castle. It's absolutely stunning in there. And it has my favorite shop, the Christmas shop. Well worth a look. Then we headed over to Peter Pan. Extra Magic Hours really is the best time to ride Peter Pan. The lines are lower than it will be any time of the day. After Peter Pan, we had to ride Dumbo. It's one of my favorites, and it's a beautiful view of the park as you go around. Disney Duck. Right by Nessie. We then walked past Small World because it was being refurbished. And over to Discoveryland, where we rode Buzz Lightyear. Not my favorite ride, as you will see here in a moment. We're getting ready to go on Buzz Lightyear, and this is the day he loses.
I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission. Battle stations. Report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity.
Oh, go away! I hate that ride. My gun never works. Never. It's not the operator. It's the gun. We then rode Star Tours, always a favorite of ours. Being Star Wars fans, how can it not be? Then we made our way over to Adventureland and Frontierland and got a look at some of the Halloween decorations. I love Halloween, and I love how Disneyland Paris is decorating for Halloween. So that was our Extra Magic Hours. It's a short but sweet video. We got, I think, a lot done for the time. And I always love being in when the park's not as busy. I highly recommend if you're staying on property or if you have an annual pass, Extra Magic Hours is usually an hour to an hour and a half before the park opens. Be sure to check at your front desk if you're staying at the hotel. Thank you all so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed.